Hi, welcome to Health to Infinity with Yulia. Today we're going to be making Key Lime Mousse. It's an amazing dessert. It's rich, it's creamy, and its custard-like texture will literally melt in your mouth. If you want to impress your friends on short notice, this is the way to go, because it's so easy to make. Let's get started. First, we'll start with 2 avocados. Cut each one in half and take each half and cut them in a crisscross manner. Scoop them onto a plate. Believe it or not, but avocados are actually considered a fruit. They contain a wide variety of nutrients and healthy fats. Once you're done, scoop all of your avocados into a blender. 3 tablespoons of lime juice and add it into the blender. Pour 1/4 cup of agave and add it into the blender as well. Blend your ingredients. You may need a tamper to help with the process. Make sure you reach a smooth consistency. The final texture should look like whipped sour cream. Scoop the mixture into a glass. This recipe is for 1 serving. So if you want more servings, you should increase the ingredient amounts accordingly. And now for the decorations. A few kiwi slices for added flavor and some raspberries for a splash of color. And last but not least, sprinkle some shredded coconut on top to complete your dessert. Key Lime Mousse is ready. Let's give it a try. It's amazing. It's airy, but very creamy, and you taste sweet and sour at the same time. Kiwi gives the final touch. You will definitely love it. That's it for today's recipe. Please like, comment and subscribe. And hit the bell so you can be notified when a new video comes out. Let's explore the journey to infinite health together.